Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Alright guys, I was literally not gonna film today at all, but my doorbell rang, much like it did last week, and this beautiful baby arrived. Now, I haven't even peeked into this for a second, but I am so excited to unbox the Supreme Jeffree Star Cosmetics Summer Mystery Box with you. So that's what we're gonna be doing for today's video. Now, I did already unbox every single other tier. I will link that video up here in case you missed it. But yes, those boxes came to me super fast. For whatever reason, this one just took an absolute century to get to me, but luckily it's here and we're gonna be doing an unboxing. So if you'd like to see what I got in my Supreme Mystery Box, then please keep watching. All right, guys, let's jump in. Okay, already I am getting excited. The first item I'm seeing here is this beautiful hand mirror. Let's see what it is. Oh Lord, these are always so annoying to open. Are you kidding me? I am so excited right now! Oh my God, I'm sorry for screaming. I'm sorry for blasting your ears. I don't have any of the Boneparte hand mirror. This is so cute, like I'm gonna cry. This is so adorable. Okay, I'm already liking this box better than any of the other tiers. I do think it's still available. I might be wrong, but the last time I checked, they're still available, guys. This is so cute. I'm literally dead. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, tissues. Woo! Okay, so I'm not gonna open this. This is another Star Ranch palette. So I already have 2 of these now from the other mystery boxes. This will be going in an upcoming giveaway. So definitely, guys, give this video a like. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know, do you want me to do another giveaway? I couldn't help but absolutely laugh my ass off. On one of my most recent videos, the top comment is, "God damn, this girl does a lot of giveaways." And so many of you liked the comment, which made me laugh so much. All right, let's see what else. Okay, all right. All right, so this is the 3rd one of these I'm getting. Kind of annoying, but I do have a lot of singles, so these are a great place to store them. I'm really excited. Actually, I haven't jumped into actually opening one of these. Let me right now with you guys open this and let's see how it actually feels. Like, is it worth the money? Like, is it even like anything? Okay. Okay, she's cute. She's cute, but she's feeling really light, but it's cute. Very cute. All right, the next item, oh, hell yeah, is a clothing item. I literally live in my JSC merch. This looks so pretty. I am sorry for how my reactions are today, but this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's like a muscle tank. This is so cute. I live in my JSC merch. Now, I don't necessarily wear it out of the house. It's more like in-house pajama comfy wear, but I am in my house 1 billion times more than I'm out. Like a lot of you, I know, given the times right now and everything, but this is so cute. I absolutely adore the colors. I am obsessed. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, so cute. I've seen this floating around. This is the beautiful beach ball. This is such a cute idea to put in a summer mystery box. I wish I got this before I went to Miami. This would have been so bomb on the beach, but it is so cute. I'm definitely gonna be blowing it up. My parents have a pool and we pretty much live there, so I'm definitely gonna get use out of this guy. All right, I think we're just getting started. Let's see what else we got. Hell yeah. Okay, so I thought in my deluxe box there was supposed to be a big palette other than the Star Ranch palette, but apparently there wasn't, which left me so confused because I thought the deluxe and the premium boxes were super duper similar, but we got our palette. This is the beautiful Blood Money palette. Now, I own not only one of these, but 2, because I use one that's completely fresh and pristine for my photography. By the way, guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram and your JSC stands, what are you doing? Definitely click on the link, follow me. Everything is linked down below for my socials. But I love the Blood Money palette. As we know, it is a beautiful color story. Because I'm not gonna open this one because it's most likely gonna go in a giveaway, I am gonna throw up a picture here of the beautiful color story for you. As you can see for yourself, this is a green lover's dream. If you ever needed greens in your collection, this is the only palette to go for. All right, let's see what else. Nice, we got another Extreme Frost. This is in shade Stripper Magic. I'm gonna open this here for you. I also already own this, so, oh God, these are hard to get out. We're not gonna take it out because it's not coming out, but this is how it looks. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm not gonna swatch it because I wanna keep it nice and fresh for whoever wins it. This is bomb.com. It goes for $50 US. This box already, honest to God, if I could have went back, I would have probably only gotten the Supreme because I was really kind of like, about the other boxes. I usually think he slays the boxes, but like I feel like this round, only the Supreme one was really worth it. The next item in the box is 3 Jeffree Star Cosmetics eyeshadow singles. We have the shade Blood Sugar Love. We have the shade Mint Condition. And we have the shade Bite Me, all super, super stunning. I love that he's included singles in the collection now. For people who really want to delve into the brand, but they don't really like the setup of any of the palettes, this is a great way to try out to see if you like the qualities of the shadows. I personally, I've gone on and on and on about it, but I love the quality of the shadows. So I'm really happy to have those, and they're definitely gonna be going in a giveaway. Oh, hell yeah, I am literally obsessed with this. I wear this with almost every single nude look I do. This is the shade Dominatrix by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It is a very deep purpley brown, or maybe a cool toned brown would be the best way to describe it. It's absolutely stunning. I use it in so many looks, like I said. So happy to have it. This won't be going in a giveaway because I need a backup. The next item is a BAM Supreme Gloss. This is in the shade Blow My Candles. I actually use this shade 24/7. I like when I do an ombre lip to put a little bit something lighter on the center of my lips, and I love the Supreme Gloss formula. I don't know if you guys have tried it yet. It's absolutely amazing to add a little bit of shine, a little bit of zhuzh to the look. I absolutely adore the Supreme Gloss formula. Highly suggest you try it if you haven't yet. But yes, guys, this is definitely gonna go in a giveaway as well. The next item is a Velour lip scrub. I can never get enough of these. This is in the Candy Necklace flavor. I love these. The fact that you can really scrub your lip down and then eat whatever's left. I actually don't own this flavor. I might keep it. I might throw it in a giveaway. Let me know. What do you guys want me to do with it? Leave it in the comments. All right, there are 2 items left. They're both lippies. First, we have, oh yes, this is the exclusive shade. I am so excited. I'm actually wearing one of the exclusive shades that was part of the summer mystery boxes today. I got so many compliments on it when I wore it last, and I love it. I am so excited to try this. I actually am gonna swatch this right now on camera for you guys. Oh, I was expecting it to be darker for some reason. Okay, she's pretty, she's cute. Definitely love this one more, but this is what it looks like. There's just a little yak on it. So that, I'm just assuming it has no name and it's just special for the mystery boxes. And that is what it looks like there. All right, guys, and the last item in the box is the gloss. This is in one of my favorite shades of all time. It's Heaven's Gate. If you are a sparkly gloss lover, this is such a beautiful shade. That's pretty much it for this unboxing. I actually really like the contents of the box this time around. Again, if you didn't catch my other video, I unboxed all 3 of the tiers. I'll link that again up here as well as in the description section. Definitely take a look at those. You'll see for yourself, this box was a billion times better than anything I got in that box. I was honestly a little bit disappointed with the other tiers. I feel like he didn't take it to that crazy place he usually does. The last several rounds of mystery boxes have been so unbelievably good that I think I was just setting my standards a little bit high, expecting more. But guys, the Supreme box is absolutely amazing. If you haven't yet gotten it and they're still available and you're interested, after seeing this unboxing, I'm sure you're gonna go snag some up. I highly suggest you do. And yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, leave a comment down below, give this video a like, and let me know, should I do another giveaway? Are you sick of my giveaways? I don't know at this point, but definitely let me know, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys!